Today is the day, gentlemen. What is going on, guys? Today we got a brand new video with the MazdaSpeed 3. Today we're gonna try and get this thing started. So everything is good to go. Obviously you guys know that I was waiting for a few things. So the exhaust adapter's in, but it's not welded. It's very, very, very poorly put in by myself. And hopefully it doesn't leak to the point where the motor wants to nuke itself, but at least just a little bit to the point where we can drive it and get it to the exhaust shop and get it welded. So today we're gonna be getting the first startup of the MazdaSpeed 3 and hopefully driving it home. That way that I can get it welded upcoming Monday. So everything is pretty much done on the car. There's a few things that have changed, obviously, since you guys were last here. So that side skirt's all bolted up, the fender's all bolted up, the mud flap's bolted up, the wheel is on that side. I don't think there's really anything engine bay related. We still have to bolt up the battery, obviously. I have the access port here with the new tune that we're gonna be putting on. Other than that, I think we should be good to go. So without further ado, obviously, there's another thing as well, the coolant. I have to bleed the coolant system, so I'm just going to be constantly squeezing the air out of there. Once the car starts up, it should be a little easier, but other than that, everything looks bueno, and I think we should be pretty much good to go here. So without further ado, let's bolt up the battery and we can get started. Yeah, 51R. I think this is positive. Head, and we can tighten down the clamps. All right, so that's good. Literally all we have left is to start this thing. So everything works, that's good. All right, okay. I'm really nervous. So in case you guys are new here and you guys are watching this, so we did the I did the B&R S3, we did the 3-inch intake, we did the JBR 51R, we did the catless downpipe. A big job for me that I've never done before, and this car's been kind of sitting for a while, so that's the only part I'm worried, is that it's been sitting for a while, and the other part I'm worried about is it blowing up. So yeah, without further ado, I guess we'll go for it. So we're gonna open up, get some air in here, open the shop up a bit just so we have some airflow. I'm not sure how loud this is going to be, but it might muffle the mic. I'm going to grab the access port and we're going to go tune the car live again. It's been so long. Plug the access port in. Okay, we're going to change the ECU map. Here we go. Here we go. I'm so nervous. Launch control will do 37, and we shall wait. All right, dude, my heart's pumping. Let's go. My voice is starting to shake. I'm getting scared. 3, I'm gonna set you guys over on the tripod now. So we got good and kind of bad. The engine, the exhaust in there is kind of smoking. I think that might be WD-40. It sounds running, like it's running good. And everything looks great. Okay. Oh my, oh. Oh, dude, my girlfriend's gonna be driving a nutty car. We did it, we did it. Oh, it's a smoke show in here. We're still smoking in there. All right guys, so the speed is good. The smoking and the exhaust is done, so I believe that would have just been PB blast because I did spray a lot of it in there. So next up is, so the girlfriend's coming with her insurance. We're gonna swap the plates from her wind beater onto this, and then we're gonna drive this in a couple days when exhaust shops open up. We're gonna drive down to the exhaust shop, get that exhaust welded, and then we're gonna be mint. So this week upcoming week is basically we're gonna be doing like data logs and stuff like that with this, because I'm being tuned with Freak Tuned, Justin at Freak Tuned, and so far everything's fantastic. So I'm really excited with this. So we're gonna be doing data logs this week, some exhaust clips and stuff like that. The exhaust, oh, it's so great. So next step for us right now is we're going to lower this on the ground, considering there's no leaks or anything, and we're gonna have it pretty much ready to go for insurance, and then we'll get it out of here. So it's been a few days. We're a couple days after the original filming of this. I'm not sure where I left off. I know I got really excited about it running. Everything went well. The exhaust is all put together, which means that's all good. I've had some fun in this in the past couple of days. I haven't done any logging, so that's gonna be next video. We're just gonna finish off this video, we'll get gas. We'll do a couple little INSI pulls. You guys can hear the exhaust. But we're gonna be doing logging next video. I have to go home and get my GoPro, just got off work here. So let's go ahead and head straight to the gas station, put some fresh 94 Chevron in this bitty, and we'll go from there. All right, we just got that fresh fuel. Let's have some hokey pokey fun. Now, I can't drive with one hand, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to lay you guys down over here. That has to do with this thing torque steering, so. Oh, this clutch bites so hard. There's like people everywhere and I don't want to do it. Oh, we back, baby. The MazdaSpeed's back, baby. We got it. Hello. There's nothing better than hitting your boost target, which right now is only 14 PSI, but before with the other tune we were running and the somewhat not okay KO4 was like 10 PSI, but that tune we were running, even when the KO4 was fine, was never doing its job properly. One little third gear pull. There you go. Let's head on home here and we'll finish her off. But yeah, totally pleased. Engine lights on for sensor 2, O2 sensor 2, right? But look at this, we're back! MazdaSpeed content! Alright guys, and that's the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. She's back, and I am happy. We're good to go. So like I said, next video we're going to be doing some data logs, which include some polls and stuff like that, and we'll get some good content. So yeah, so until next time, thank you guys for watching the journey of this being big turboed. It was excellent, it was fun. But other than that guys, thank you guys so much. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below. Other than that guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.